All businesses are being influenced by the consistent evolution of technology, consumer trends, and societal pressures, and the tackle industry is no different. However, brands and companies consistently struggle with the dilemma of when it is a good time to make the adjustments required to remain on the left side of the bell curve that everyone is protecting. Senior executives must consistently make honest, objective, and systematic reviews of all aspects of the organization. They need to identify not only their strengths and weaknesses, but also external threats and opportunities. Once this analysis is completed, the work of a 3-year strategic plan will begin to unfold